Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and this video is my yarn swap video. If you're not new to my channel, you might have seen in a previous video that I announced that I'm doing a yarn swap with Kit from All Things Crochet Knit with Kit. I always get the knit and the crochet around the wrong way, but I think that was the right way this time. So I got home today and found a parcel. So, knocking the camera, sorry. So yeah, this is from Kit. So I'm going to pause the video for a second while I get into the box, because you don't really want to watch me struggle for about 40 minutes trying to open this box. So before I do, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there are new videos. I've got quite a lot of giveaways going on, especially this month. This is February, unless you're watching this in the future. And February is my birthday month, so there'll be quite a lot going on this month. There's already some, and I will put at the end of this video a link to those giveaways. I also do live streams and lots of other fun things along the way. So please consider subscribing, and now I'm going to pause the video and try and get in to this box. That was actually a lot easier than I thought, because the bottom part had already started opening. So I'm just going to pop some glasses on, put that over there, and let's have a look. So, whoa, this is a big box, and whoa, there's some very nice things in here. Wow, huge things. Whoops, there goes my phone. So let's just hope. I'm going to pick that up because it's my light source if I need it. Whoopsie. Right, so let's have a look. These are extremely pretty. Let's it's like Christmas all over again. I hope she likes what I've sent her. Well, these are mandala tweed stripes from Lion brand, and look, aren't they gorgeous? They are just beautiful. Right, let's get some light on the subject. Now these have 426 yards or 390 meters. They're a 4 weight, 150 grams. But aren't they beautiful? That is just gorgeous. So there is 1, 2 of those, and I love these organza bags. I had some yarn arrive in one of those before, and I love them. But isn't that beautiful? So what colour? Let's have a look. Does it have a colour on it? It's white elephant. Now that's unusual. But it's got some absolutely gorgeous pinks and oranges and blues. Just beautiful. I'm going to have a lot of fun with that. Thank you, Kit. Wow. When I think what she asked me for, you know, it doesn't compare, but okay. What we got here? Well, this is an enormous ball. Another little organza bag. My box was not as big. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that much into the box. When she told me how many skeins, but she didn't say that they were enormous skeins. Look at the size of this. This is a Studio Classic by Nicole. Okay, this is a new one to me. And the colour is Impressions. And it's just beautiful. Look at those colours. All those pastel shades. They're just beautiful. And what do we have here? 100% acrylic. 520 yards, 476 meters, a 4 weight, and a absolutely humongous ball. I'm trying to see how many grams it's got, but 280. Wow, that's huge. Look at that. That is huge and beautiful. Wow, absolutely amazing. Put it back in the bag. keep it nice and safe. And she did say that she had put some edible goodies in. And I have something called Swedish fish. Swedish fish, they're kind of jellies. Oh, a fat-free food. Wow. Good Lord. They're soft and chewy candy. I know someone who's going to really like helping me with these. Someone called Gary. They're actually not that much in the way of calories either. Thank you, Kit. I'm going to enjoy those. Ooh. Knocking everything over. What's this? Wow. Another little organza bag, but there's different things in here. Right, let's have a look. Wow, look at that. This is Red Heart Unforgettable, which I've always wanted to try, and she knows that. But look at that colourway. It's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. And it is a 100-gram ball, which is 270 yards. And trying to see if there's a colour. Round this way. Stained glass. Isn't that just beautiful? And it is really, really soft. That's lovely. Look at those rich colours in there. Wow, that's beautiful. So soft. And in there are 2 of those. Just beautiful. And then I'll put those on there for a minute. We also have this, which is Yarn Bee Dazzling, and that is very sparkly and it is very soft. That's gorgeous. Look at that dark red. That's just beautiful. Wow, such lovely yarn. And this colour is called Royal Canyon. It's very, very soft. I'm putting those on the floor just for a moment so I can read this. I think this must be a DK weight, this one, which is a 3. 249 meters and 249 yards and 228 meters. It says use a 5.5. Sorry, I should have turned off my phone just to use it as a torch. But isn't that beautiful? That is just gorgeous. My glasses are falling off my nose. And there are 3 of those. Let's pick them up. So there's 3 in there altogether. She has amazing taste in yarn. She does. And I have seen as well on her channel that she dyes yarn. So if you haven't watched her already, then please check out her channel. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. But that's also I put a card in as well. I've just been sidetracked by caramel chocolate. This is just like, wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Yummy yums. That's going to tempt me from the straight and narrow, isn't it? Wow. And I know Gary's going to be slathering. It's going to be wanting some of that. Thank you so much. Thank you. I can't believe it. It's got so much in this huge box. Wow. What have we got next? Well, there's another one of these giant balls that we had before. I think it's the same. It is. But they're so big, they get their own organza bag because it's just huge. I can't believe it's such an enormous ball. Look at that. It's definitely enough to make a project there. And it's so beautiful. I've never heard of Studio Classic by Nicole. Hold on a moment, I'll just put that on silent. There we go. Hopefully that won't happen again. But wow, isn't that gorgeous? She certainly kind of knew the colours that I would like, that's for sure. I just hope she likes what she's got from me. And when I did my yarn swap with Glenda from CreativeGrandma, I knew that she couldn't really get a very big box. So I thought I wouldn't go crazy and get a massive box because I didn't think that Kit would be doing that because it's so expensive to send. It must have cost her a fortune to send it. Oh my goodness. And such a lovely little card. Thank you so much for participating in this yarn swap with me. I hope you like all the yarn I've picked out and sent. I also included some chocolates and Swedish fish that you can also enjoy. Hope we can do this again in the future. Take care, Kit. And look, I absolutely love llamas. Do you think she knew? Do you think she might have had a little inkling? Isn't that beautiful? I love llamas. Llamas and alpacas, they're my very favourite things. So, definitely we'll do it again in the future. And now, now I know that you go a bit mental, I will definitely send more to you. Wow. Now this is beautiful. It's another yarn bee, soft and sleek DK, low pill fibre. So that's good, so it doesn't pill. And what do we have here? So it's 100% low pill acrylic, and 478 yards, 437 meters. So there are 2 of them, but look, it's the most gorgeous orange. I love that. That is so nice. Oh, now I've got to wonder what I'm going to make with all this lovely, lovely, beautiful, soft, gorgeous yarn. Look at that. 2 of them. Wow, Kit, you certainly have gone to town. I really didn't think you would be sending so much. My goodness. Wow. So yeah, thank you so much. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of speechless, which doesn't actually happen very often. Anyone who's a regular to my live streams would know that. It doesn't actually happen very often. But that is just a lovely amount of yarn and such a lovely little card. Mine was quite rushed in comparison. I just scribbled her a note. Mind you, it was quite long. You don't have to read it out if you don't want to. It's pretty long. But I'm going to have a lot of fun with my yarn. And this, wow, certainly have spoilt me, Kit. So thanks for watching, everyone. And thank you so much, Kit. I really don't know what to say. I'm kind of overwhelmed. You've been so generous. I know how much that must have cost you to send, because Glenda could only send a small box because it was going to cost ridiculous amounts to send any more. And the box I sent her was heftier, but I don't... Wow, I'm just stunned, really. And I love the dye-in. That I've watched your videos. You have such a talent to dye in that yarn. That's very impressed. So thanks very much. And I urge everybody, if you haven't already checked out Kit's channel, then please do. And I'm going to pop a card in there which will be a link straight to it, and there'll be one in the description box below. So thanks very much for watching. Until next time, bye for now, everyone.